I like my ears rubbed, Daddy. Yes, I do. I really like my ears are rubbed just like this, and a little twist that way, and a little, not too hard though. A little bit back. Yes, I do. Yes. You're so pretty. Yes, I am. Yum, 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 yum. Yeah. You want that chair Mike sitting on? I'll show you on the floor. You want the chair? Yes, I'm very comfortable here. Yes, I am. Is that ice maker annoying you? I will get rid of it.
Would you honestly?
No. Just move it in the other room. You're such a pretty puppy. Yes, you are.
Are you done?
I doubt it. You have 15 years of this.
Until you're like grandpa, just sitting around.
My guts to your neck. Oh, she just smelled her daddy. Oh, she just licked her paw. Oh my God. She licked her paw. Mikey, I see that. She's licking her paw. Check it out. Look at it. It's a good puppy. Don't miss anything. Make sure it's all nice and clean. It's a good puppy rubberooing. Yes, that's it. What about your other paw? Did you think about your other paw now? Your other paw might be dirty too. Yes, it is. Huh? You only did one paw? You gonna save the other one for later? Oh.